And here's our ingredients. I have some cherry tomatoes, minced garlic, some white onion, mushroom, black pepper and salt to taste with my extra virgin olive oil. And please don't forget to put some salt in the water for boiling the pasta. And wait until it boils before you put the pasta. It's ready. By the way guys, I'm always using extra virgin olive oil because I don't use butter. Now I'm adding a little bit of the sauce from the tuna paste. And that's how I made my tuna pasta. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!